Hi, and welcome to an early global view on Friday, June 17th. It's currently 7 a.m. U.S. Central Time, and as you can see, just short-term charts of the S&P with the central banks and other activity, it's been a very wild couple of days, not just in the S&P, but in most of the markets. And we'll be getting to quite a bit more discussion of the other fundamental aspects shortly. But most importantly, we have had a significant weakness of sentiment on central banks out of Wednesday afternoon into Thursday morning. Literally, four major central banks sounding pretty accommodative between 1 p.m. Central Time Wednesday afternoon and 5 a.m., ending up with the Bank of England on Thursday morning, and yet the market got hit anyway. And after what looked like a very ugly bit of activity early Thursday morning, this market ended up with a huge recovery. Now, part of this is over the binary decision that's going to come out of the UK next Thursday on the British referendum on whether to remain or leave the European Union. The important bit there is there was the tragic killing of MP Jo Cox over in the UK. She was quite an avid Remain campaigner, and for some reason this seems to have slipped into a psychology that her death will create more sympathy for Remain, which was trailing in the polls, and you can see the huge impact of this binary decision. I mean, the UK either in or out of the European Union on a popular vote into next Thursday on the 23rd, where you'll probably see the market results next Friday. And the quick take on the S&P is simply that below, actually we'll see on the intermediate term charts, below 2062, it was on a down break out of the major daily chart up channel from the lows in February. You'll see this is quite a major channel, and it had probed that same channel at the lows on Tuesday at 2055, but it moved up about $7 to 2062 by Thursday morning. So gap onto a down break, gapping the low of the week. But by later in the day, again, this sudden sense that maybe the leave to the camp that wants to exit the European Union and the UK had lost a bit of momentum on the sympathy regarding Ms. Cox's tragic death, put the markets back up and back above 55 to 60, which is a classic area anyway in the lead contract S&P, which September now is, based on the June contract expiring yesterday on Thursday the 16th. We saw this big recovery. So the market's back to trading off support at 60 to 55 versus higher resistances at levels like 75. The post-U.S. employment report trading low back on June 3rd, and the continuation resistances at 85, and then not again till up around 2100. And that is the quick take on the S&P 500 future.